In today's video, I'll show you on how you can roll back AMD graphics drivers or downgrade through a previous version. The first thing that you want to do is to simply click on your Windows logo, right click on it, and then navigate through the device manager. In here, just click on the display adapters and then you want to look for your AMD driver. Unfortunately, I don't have my AMD graphics card installed to my computer, so let's say that this is my AMD graphics card. You simply want to right click on it, click on properties, click on driver, and then select the rollback driver option. If the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previous installed driver. Now, if it's grayed out, obviously we cannot do this. Now, what we can try to do is to simply click on the update driver, click browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then you want to select the AMD card that you were using right here. And so if that didn't work, let's then navigate through our browser. Simply search for AMD driver download, navigate through the official website, and then you want to select graphics. Select the graphics card that you are currently using. Click submit, and then below this page, after selecting your operating system, you then have the previous version options. Just simply click on it. I'll click on Windows 10, and in here we have the available drivers for our AMD card. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.